Today, we're diving into the world of Forex trading and giving beginners a step-by-step guide to getting started. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before diving in, it's crucial to grasp what Forex trading is all about. Forex, or foreign exchange, involves trading currencies in pairs, such as EUR-USD or GBP-JPY. The goal is to profit from the fluctuations in exchange rates between these currency pairs. Research is key here. Learn about the major currency pairs, the factors that influence exchange rates, and the different trading strategies. Step 2. Open a trading account. Once you've familiarized yourself with the basics, it's time to open a trading account with a reputable Forex broker. Look for brokers that offer demo accounts for practice trading and competitive spreads. Step 3. Practice with a demo account. Don't rush into live trading just yet. Use the demo account to practice your trading strategies, analyze charts, and get a feel for the market without risking real money. Step 4. Develop a trading plan. A solid trading plan is essential for success in Forex trading. Determine your risk tolerance, set realistic goals, and establish clear entry and exit strategies for your trades. Step 5. Start trading with small positions. When you're ready to transition to live trading, start with small positions to minimize risk. Stick to your trading plan and be disciplined in your approach. Step 6. Review and learn. After each trade, take the time to review your performance. What went well? What could you improve? Learning from your mistakes is key to becoming a successful Forex trader. And there you have it. Follow these steps, stay informed, and remember that Forex trading requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.